ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಗೂ a big hello.
Well done, Pradeep. The change in pace. Rajiv Hanu, by the time leaving home, my 5th 100 at CCL. I love Karnataka Bulldozers.
जो साझेदारियाँ हुई शतकीय बना उसको किस तरह से पिच के दोनों और विकेट के दोनों और बढ़िया शॉट देखने को मिले.
It's time now to speak to the winning skipper, Kicha Sudeep, Karnataka Bulldozers. When you won the toss, you didn't say you want to field first. You wanted to chase. Boy, was this a run chase.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಗೂ a big hello. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. Yes sir, you can ask again, I forgot the question.
At the toss, usually when someone wins the toss, they said, we want to field first. You said, no, I want to chase. And this was a run chase for the ages.
No, somehow I think I've always gone by my instincts, sir. And we always, in the dugout also, we thought we're going to bat first today. That was the decision that was taken that we'll bat first. But I don't know what happened during the toss. I just felt they're going to put up a big show, and I thought I'll believe my batsmen. And actually, I went back and apologized to my team's decision that I think, boys, I just changed the decision, and we're going to chase. And I think we're going to believe our batsmen. And I was very sure that they're going to put up a very big score because of the pitch and because of their game plan and their batting lineup. Somehow, even after a big score of 127, I just went back. I said, we are going to take this. If they can, we can, and we are going to do it in style, and we did it. It's not that... see, again, playing against Telugu Warriors, I think, has always been a great game because I think they are great sportsmen. They have great talents, and they get the best out of us also. And we have always been honored to play against them. And today was one of the greatest games, I guess. Yes, sir. The decision went right.
You summed it up beautifully. Congratulations on the win. Celebrate hard. All the very best for the next one.
You have no idea how we are going to celebrate, sir. Thank you.
Kicha Sudeep, as always, there is enigma around him, and what a finish indeed. What a victory for them. Let's now dive into silverware. The first award we have is the Entertainer of the Match Award. I request Dr. Vanita to present that wonderful trophy. It goes to JK for grooving to Kicha Sudeep's drum beats. JK, where are you hiding? I know you'd be tired. JK, this award belongs to you. And it's come with Aparna. Well done. Congratulations, the Entertainer of the Match, an award we introduced in season 12 of CCL. It continues to distribute joy, not just awards. Congratulations, JK. Next up is the best bowler. I request Mr. Vamshidhar Reddy to give away the best bowler. It has to be Pradeep. On a small ground where everybody was going for runs, Pradeep held his nerve. Well done, Pradeep. The change in pace, perfect. He thinks like a batter when he bowls. He thinks like a bowler when he bats. That's why he's always one step ahead. Well done, Pradeep. Now to the best batter. I request Ms. Lakshmi Raju to give away this award. It has to go to Ashwin for that magical 132. Ashwin Babu. This was an outstanding innings. After the captain departed, you were there to ensure the scoreboard read a good total. Well done, Ashwin. Magical innings indeed. Now for the last award of the night, the Player of the Match Award. I request Mr. Sridhar Rao to give away this award. It's Rajiv Hanu collecting this for an unbelievable century. 108 for Rajiv Hanu. And there couldn't be a more special entry than this. Rajiv Hanu, the second centurion of the day. Second centurion of the game. Rajiv Hanu, by the time you come to his, you look more like Triple H. Well done, Rajiv. This award would be very, very special, along with the others you collect for your art. And what does this say? Yes, it's time to reveal. I write when leaving home my 5th 100 at CCL. I love Karnataka Bulldozers. Congratulations, Rajiv. 108 not out. You were phenomenal. Very quickly, if you want to tell something to the fans, please.
Thank you so much, Karnataka Bulldozers. Thank you so much, Karnataka Bulldozers, keeping that faith on me. And I give this and dedicate this to my mother, Anusi Amma. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all the entertainment, Rajiv. Well, that's all we got for you from the post-match presentation of yet another very special day. Have a word with the captains. Let's have a word with the captain who came second, Akhil Lakineni of Telugu Warriors. Akhil. Akhil, things didn't go according to plan, but it's been a very important season nonetheless when it comes to team dynamics.
Absolutely, that is cricket. I want to firstly congratulate the Karnataka Bulldozers, where you don't get to see a game like this. So being part of a adrenaline rush, a roller coaster like this, to put on a show, this is what we're trying to do. So thank you, boys. Thank you for that. We've done it together. I appreciate it. They've played really well and they've outplayed us today. So hats off to them.
It was an incredible innings as well from your ilk. A word on Ashwin and the way he went about after you were back in the hut.
Absolutely. To put 450 runs onto the board between the two teams, you need some magic. Ashwin on our side, Rajiv on their side, even Dhruv with a great start. But today was Ashwin and Rajiv's show. Together they put on one of the greatest shows. It was just unbelievable to see that sort of hitting. I think it happens very rarely. I've been with CCL for a long time. I think we've seen this just a few times and we witnessed some magic today.
When Akhil Lakineni promises, he delivers. What's the promise for the next season for the fans, please?
Well, we keep coming back as hard as we can. I'm coming for them, definitely. See that man standing there? The tall, strong man. I'm coming for them. But we always enjoy playing them. CCL is about sportsmanship. I always appreciate that we play in the right spirit of the game and put on a show for everyone. We'll be back strong. Thank you.
Hard luck today. All the best for the next season, Akhil.